Alright YouTube, I just wanted to show you what I got in the mail today. I've been waiting for this package for a while. It came through FedEx. Let's see. Pack this stuff out of the way. Alright. Oh, I don't know what the best way. Oh, lay it down and slide it out. It's nice and shiny. Alright. This is DG exhaust. Let's see, we'll look at it right here. It's the FL350 Odyssey with silencer extreme pipe. And it's going to replace the stock pipe. It's got a little rusted up here. So I ordered this back in June and it's taken longer than I had hoped to receive it. Let's see, I'll flip it over on the box. I'm hoping to get it put on today. Later on today. It came from California. Now, looking online, a lot of people complain about the silencer on this thing. About how loud it is. So we'll find out when I get it on. A lot of people put on an FMF silencer. It seems to be quieter. Alright. So here we have the silencer, all the pieces. So I'm hoping to get more power gains and I can get my jetting straight now. So I guess it's the nickel plating. Yeah, nice and shiny. We'll see, there was a couple to choose from. This is the one I decided to go with. I don't know. There we go. Alright, so we got the big monster there, powered by the pieces there. Alright, now supposedly the reason it took so long to get is because it was being nickel plated at DG and they didn't have any in stock. Alright, well, my next video might be me actually putting it on, or we'll see, maybe after I get it on, I'll at least get a video then. But like I said, DG pipe going on Odyssey 350, and we'll see how loud it is. I'm not too worried about it being loud, as long as it doesn't cause me to go deaf or anything like that. But I think in a previous video I mentioned how I do have a couple FMF silencers, so if this is too loud, maybe I can see if I can put something else on to see what it sounds like. But anyway, thanks for watching. Check back later and check out the pipe once it's either being installed or once it is already installed. Alright, thanks.